So in this video, we're going to do a walk around on our Canon Colorado M series. Now this is the M5W variant, but all the variants are pretty much the same from the outside. So first of all, we have our take-up on the front here, and you'll see that we've got our 1600 wide roll on the front there. Take-up can go both forwards and backwards, and you'll see these two little cutouts here. That's our height detection for when it's running the take-up with the tension bar in place. Now we can either go onto the take-up or we can print directly onto the floor as well. Over here we have our screen, touch screen, and we have our green power button as well. Now we can turn the machine into sleep as much as we want to. We can't power down the machine because it does require to wake up to do cleans. So over this side we have our chiller. So this is where our sort of air conditioning unit lives, and this is where we fill it up on the side over here. Towards the back of the machine we have our drawer. This is where we load our material. And on this one we have two input rolls in there as well. So the actual machine can take 3 rolls at the same time. We can have one here, and then one sat on the top over here as well when we're loading it. So we can take quite a lot of weight on the drawer at the back. We have then this cover at the back here, which is our input cover. So this is just for our media feed. So if we need to cut any material out, we can do that from there. And then at the bottom here, on this variant, we have just the maintenance cover, which is where also our maintenance bits for our machine live. Now, on some other machines, you may have another input for a jumbo roll, which is at the bottom there as well. On this side here, we have an access hatch for doing our maintenance to our head, which is just a door that's here. And on this side here, we have our drawer for our maintenance tray. This here is a little device for taking the cores out of materials. And on this side we have our inks. Now at the moment we have the litre bottles. See on the M3s we have the slightly smaller bottles, but they all work exactly the same. And you see we've got a little green light on this one here, and that's saying that we can change the cyan bottle if we'd like to, but it's not required at the moment. So power for the machine we have plugged in the back here, and we've also got our Ethernet there, and that goes underneath the machine, and then it plugs in just at the front here. There's a little cover that we can take off, and that's where both our Ethernet and our power goes into. Now at the top of the machine we have the actual cover, so I can lift that from here, and that hinges up to expose the machine itself. Now we like to obviously keep that down. It's going to keep it dust free, but also keeps the temperature perfect inside the machine. Inside the machine itself we have the curing head, so this is where all our lamps are and our mirrors, and then we have our print head carriage, which is over this side at the moment, and then we have our platen. And on our platen we have 5 individual vacuum zones that we can control, so we can change intensity as it goes across the bed. Over here we have our filters. So that's a little bit of a walk around on the Canon Colorado M series print.